Brr. Feel that winter chill? You know that crisp air that means cozy nights are coming? Don't worry, you don't have to sleep all winter to stay warm. Whether it's snowing or just a bit chilly, I'll show you how to make your home super cozy this winter. We'll use comfy textures, warm lights, and special things that make a house a home, especially for the holidays. It's like giving your home a big hug. From blankets to lights, these easy tips will keep you warm and snug all winter. Grab some hot chocolate, get comfy, and let's go. First things first, layers. Just like you wear layers to stay warm outside, layers of blankets and rugs will make your home warm inside. Blankets are your best friends in winter. Put some soft, chunky knit or fleece blankets on your sofas and chairs. They keep you warm and add color to your room. Snuggling on the sofa with a good book and a warm blanket is the best, right? Mix and match different textures and patterns for a comfy look. That's what makes a house feel like a home. Don't forget your floors. A thick rug makes a big difference, especially in living rooms and bedrooms. Rugs keep your feet off cold floors and make the room feel cozier. They also add warmth, especially if you have wooden floors. Try layering rugs on top of carpets. It can make your room feel bigger, cozier, and more welcoming. I love putting a cool old rug on top of a plain carpet for a fun look. Warmth is all about feeling comfy and relaxed. So pile on those blankets and rugs. You deserve to be warm and cozy all winter. Next, lighting. The right lighting can change a room completely. In winter, when it's dark early, warm light makes your home feel inviting. Bright white lights can feel too strong in winter, almost cold. Use soft, warm light bulbs instead. Think of the soft glow of a candle. That's the kind of warmth we want. Floor and table lamps create a calm, inviting glow. I like putting lamps in corners or behind furniture for a soft light. It's like layering light, just like we did with blankets and rugs. Want to add some magic? String fairy lights along your shelves or headboard. Twinkling lights make everything feel magical. And don't forget candles, they're perfect for winter. Scents like cinnamon, vanilla, or pine make your home smell amazing. I love putting candles on coffee tables, mantles, and even in bathrooms for a relaxing feel. Lighting is all about setting the mood. So dim the lights, light some candles, and get cozy. Now for the little things. Small seasonal touches create that winter feeling. It's about bringing the warmth of winter indoors. Try knitted pillow covers in cozy textures like cable knit or faux fur. Put some pine cones in a bowl or a wooden tray with books and hot chocolate. It's about creating little moments of beauty. Plants can also brighten your space in winter. Think evergreens or branches in a vase. I like bringing in branches from the garden and putting them in jars. It adds a touch of nature. And make it personal. Add photos or special things to make your home feel like yours. Family photos, souvenirs from trips, or handmade items all make your home feel warm and inviting. It's all about creating a space that makes you happy. Here's a bonus tip. Don't forget scents and sounds. Using all your senses makes a truly cozy atmosphere. When you walk into a warm, inviting space, you don't just see it, you feel it, smell it, and hear it. Use essential oil diffusers with wintry scents like eucalyptus or cedarwood. I love using them in the evenings to relax before bed and play soft music or nature sounds. There's nothing like relaxing by the fire with tea and listening to the crackling fireplace. Speaking of fireplaces, if you have one, use it. A real fire or even a fireplace DVD on your TV makes your home feel like a winter wonderland. Creating a cozy home is about creating an experience that makes you feel relaxed and happy. There you go. These simple tips will make your home super cozy this winter. It's all about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and like you. Layer those textures, play with lighting, and add those personal touches. If you like these ideas, share and subscribe for more. Share pictures of your cozy winter homes in the comments. Let's make this winter the warmest one ever.